Virtually all chronic ongoing disorders that people suffer with are caused, or at least in part caused, by excess inflammation in the internal environment of the body. And one of the reasons why so much inflammatory related issues are occurring is because there are a lot of very pro-inflammatory foods, activities, etc., that are causing a rapid rise in inflammation internally. First of all, there are three forms of inflammation. There's acute inflammation, rapid onset, very painful, like when you break or twist your ankle and your ankle swells on 3 times the size. That's acute inflammation. Then there's chronic inflammation, which occurs in conjunction with various health challenges, which can be prolonged and ongoing for months or even years. Lastly, there's what we call silent inflammation. And silent inflammation is an inflammatory response that is occurring internally, inside your body, but it's below the pain threshold. So you're unaware that it's taking place. And that makes silent inflammation almost more dangerous than the others combined. Let's take a look at some of the reasons why we have so much inflammation in our life. Well, first of all, the standard industrialized or American diet is very pro-inflammatory. Refined carbohydrates and sugars are very pro-inflammatory. Fatty acids, specifically omega-6 fatty acid, which is found in virtually all processed foods, is highly pro-inflammatory. Now, omega-3 and 9 are anti-inflammatory, but the 6 is pro-inflammatory, and that's the one that is found in almost all over processed foods. Stress. Excess stress sets up a chemical reaction that can lead to internal rising of inflammation. Elevated blood sugar from an overconsumption of refined carbohydrates and sugars can lead to excess inflammation. And when you combine all these things together, it's hardly any wonder that excess inflammation is an annoying factor for millions of people. Fortunately, there are several things we can do about that, such as stress management, changes in diet, and there are key dietary supplements, natural ingredients that can also help to manage inflammation better internally. And by doing these things, you can successfully lower the level of inflammatory markers internally, and that in the long run is a good thing. This is Dr. Whiting. See you soon.